Gonna do a quick unboxing of this swim shark. These are so fun. Okay, got a nice seal on the tape here. It's actually triple seal because I thought I already did one of these. So triple taped. Let's see if we can just pop that open. There we go. And then inside are these plastic trays and all the tools. So, oh, it's nice that it even comes with a mini screwdriver, a charger, the batteries that appear to be waterproof because this is a water toy. Here's the remote. How fun is that? Love it. It's gonna be so fun. And then the shark is packaged. There you go. So just a little bit of assembly here and you'll have tons of hours of fun at the pool.